Love is love. Love is love. Adios.
Hi guys, welcome back to Cali Valley. Today we are in downtown Sacramento and we're gonna take you with us.
Love is love.
This is all the food, the appetizers, entrees. They have so many drinks. I'm thinking about maybe one of these. We'll see.
Well, we were gonna ride the horses, but I think they might have put them away because it's too hot, maybe?
Yeah, I think it's too hot.
Yeah.
It's like mid-afternoon, so it's like the hottest part of the day. So it gets out.
Find something else to ride.
Yeah, if this store doesn't put you in a good mood, I don't know what.
Christmas ornaments on Christmas ornaments on Christmas ornaments. Who doesn't need a Stone Cold Steve Austin ornament?
Just I'm my business, stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Food in the cut, hey, you want us red run when I tell a big piece. Love is love.
Are so hot. He just made them right in front of me. He pulled them off. So we got cinnamon sugar. Yeah, these are so warm. They're so warm.
That's gonna do it for today, guys. It's starting to get a little bit hot, so we gotta head back.
There was a lot open. I was surprised, but we will see you in the next one.